Recovering deleted messages on Reddit can be challenging, as the platform does not provide a built-in feature for message recovery. However, there are a few steps you can take to attempt to retrieve them. Step 1. Check your email notifications. If you have email notifications enabled for Reddit messages, check your email inbox. You may find copies of the messages you received or sent, which can help you recover the content. Step 2. Review your Reddit account activity. Log into your Reddit account and navigate to your profile. Check the activity section to see if there are any records of the deleted messages. While this won't recover the messages, it may provide context or information about them. Step 3. Use third-party tools. Consider using third-party tools or browser extensions designed for Reddit. Some tools can save your message history or provide a backup of your interactions. Research and choose a reputable tool that suits your needs. Step 4. Contact Reddit support. If the messages are crucial, you can try reaching out to Reddit support team. While they may not be able to recover deleted messages, they might offer guidance or assistance regarding your account. Step 5. Keep future backups. To avoid losing important messages in the future, consider regularly backing up your Reddit messages. You can take screenshots or use tools that archive your messages to ensure you have a record of your interactions. In conclusion, while recovering deleted messages on Reddit is not straightforward, following these steps may help you retrieve important information or prevent future losses.